Hi, my name is Jorge and I'm going to do an unboxing of my 2020 MacBook Pro Awesome Edition, and I'm going to talk about why I picked the specs and do a comparison of my 2015 MacBook Pro. So let's begin. This is awesome. Like I'm excited. This is it. Like feels kind of heavy and light at the same time. Kind of weird, huh? This is the shipping container from Apple, and I love it because it has a quick pull, so you don't need anything to open it. So nice MacBook Pro logo to start off with. Let's put the box aside, and there she is. She's a beauty. I mean, you gotta love the craftsmanship of Apple. It has a quick pull right here. Nice little pull right here. So very convenient and easy to pull. And I like to try to preserve as much as possible, just in case I need to return the MacBook or there's an issue. And so let's go ahead and just unbox it, open it up. Oh yeah, new scent smell. So I'll put this on the side, and you know, feels so new and silky. Another pull tab. So again, I like to preserve everything, and I visually inspect the laptop just to make sure that there's no dings or issues with it. And it looks fantastic, I gotta say. Let's put this aside real quick. And in the box is, you know, your usual paper and stickers that I never use, and a USB-C cable, charging cable for your power supply. Great. Let's go put this back in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it back in the box. In case I do need to resell this or ship it back, I do like to have it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh yeah, it's starting up. One of the good things about MacBooks is that they come charged already, so they're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and just set this up real quick because this is gonna take a while. The specs on this, while this is loading, is it's an i7, 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte solid state drive. So my previous MacBook.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, Siri. The main reason why I got this MacBook, and I've been wanting it for 3 years, is to replace my previous MacBook, which is a 2015 i5, 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 storage. Now, it's been a great machine. It's running in the background. Here's my MacBook Pro 2015. Now, it has nice ports. HDMI, great. SD card, awesome. USB 2, great. Thunderbolt 2, okay. MagSafe, cool. I like this MacBook. It is a workhorse. It has served me well. However, I max it out all the time, and it's a problem. I use it for virtualization, I program on it, and I want to do some video edits on it, and it just can't hang no more. You know, it's struggling. And so this is why I got the new MacBook Pro 2020 13 inch because I wanted 32 gigs of RAM. This is 8, right? Why 32? Well, I wanted 32 because on my work machine, I have 16. And I max it out every now and then. But remember, guys, I'm thinking long term. So in 5 years, 4 years, I don't think 16 is going to be enough. I think I want to hit that bottleneck pretty quick. And so I'm going to get 32 to make sure that there's no issues. And 32 gigs of RAM, that's a lot. I don't think I ever max it out. And so why did I get i7 versus i5? Now, many people do not recommend i7. Okay, sure, I understand it's $200 more expensive and you only get 6% more efficiency. Who would do that? Well, let me tell you who. People who need that extra boost. And I think the extra boost is important maybe 5% of the time for me. And at that 5% of the time though, is when it's crucial, when I have 100 apps open, when I have lots of tabs, when I have apps running and I need to open just one more app. And right now that one more app is probably gonna break my system. It's gonna crash it. It's gonna slow it down. They're gonna see that beach bubble. And I don't want that to happen. I want it to double click on it and just boop. It just happened. And so i7 doesn't guarantee that, but it makes sure I have the best of the best, right? And also i7, I see it as a future investment in making it last longer. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean, if this laptop was, I guess, two things, had more RAM, 16 gigs of RAM, and I had i7, probably wouldn't upgrade now. I would have waited another year, to be honest. So this laptop, I got i7, so, you know, maybe year 4 comes along, I'll say, you know what, I'm going to year 5. Or maybe year 5 comes along, I'm gonna say, you know what, it's still good for another year. Why? Because I got the i7 version, and that percent difference is gonna matter a little bit. You know, I say a little bit because I find that to be the equivalent of buying an i5 now and a year later buying that i5 next year if you can update the CPU, which you can't. And so the difference or the equivalent would be buying an i7 now and not upgrading the i5, right? That's kind of the difference. So i7 now or i5 now and upgrade i5 next year. To me, those are kind of the same. And so that's why I'm like, well, if I get i5 and then year 4 comes along, I kind of wish there was the i7 because I could have lasted another year, and I don't want that to happen. So that was the quick unboxing of my MacBook 2020 Awesome Edition. If you have any questions about budgeting or about my electronics that I have here in my desk, hit like and subscribe, and I'm going to be showing more videos of these. Thanks.